Dear students, let us consider all the exercise of that fourth chapter, quadratic equations. The first exercise is 4.1. The first question is, check the following equations are quadratic or no. First question, check the following equations, that is the short form of equations, are quadratic or no. Out of that one, first is x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. This is the first question. What's the general form of a quadratic equation? It is a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. There is a condition for that one, a not equal to 0. That is the condition for that one. So if it is a is 0, we know that it is only first degree equation, not second degree equation. Or the first power is 2, second power is 1, and third one is a constant. In this case, this is not the general form. This is a second degree expansion and it also under first degree factor. Then we can expand this one. That's the answer. Answer, it is what? A plus b the whole square 4. That is a square plus what? 2ab, that is 2x. Plus b square, 1 square is 1. Is equal to distributive law, we can open this pattern, that is 2 into x. 2x, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. Shifting these two terms to the left, 2x reduced into minus and 6 reduced into minus 6 plus. That is a square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. That is a square. This 2x and 2x cancels, 1 plus 6 is 7. That means this is only from a square plus bx plus c is 0, but b is 0. That means there is no x here. Highest power is what? 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Okay? That means we can express given the equation be expanded. Finally, it is what before a square plus bx plus c is 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay? Then the second question is x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. That is second. We know the distributive law, that is a plus b into c plus d is equal to what is it? A into c, that is AC, plus a into d, AD, plus b into c, BC, plus d into d, D. Using this expanded result, we can expand these two terms by distributive law. That is, answer is what? X into x, that is x squared. X into 1, that is x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x. minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Similarly, on the right side, x into x, x square. X into 3, 3x. Minus 1 into x, minus x. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Then, x square, x minus 2x, that is minus x. Minus 2 is equal to x square, 3x minus x, that is 2x, minus 3. Shifting these three terms in the left, that is x square, minus x, minus 2, minus x square, minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Cancels x square and minus x square. Minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Listen, this is not a quadratic, this is a first degree equation in this. Therefore, given equation is not a quadratic. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay? But by inspection, without the expansion of this result or reduction in the form of a quadratic, but directly we can find out it is not a quadratic by inspection. That means, listen, what is x into x? X square. In the left side, the first term is x square. On the right, x into x, it is x square. Therefore, left and right, there are same terms on the left and the right. We can cancel it. That means, in the left side, x square is the first term. In the right side, x square is the first term. These two cancel. That means x square term reduced into 0. Therefore, by inspection, we know that this is not a quadratic equation. Then the third question is, x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 2x into s square minus 1. Listen, by inspection, first term is s square. On the right side, 2x into s square. What is it? 2s. Therefore, the highest power is 3. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Then answer is x square by a plus b the whole square plus 2ab, that is 4x, plus b square, 2 square is 4, is equal to 2x into s square, that is 2s. 2x into minus 1, minus 2x. Then the highest power is x cube, therefore it is not quadratic. Then shifting this to the right, 2s cube minus s square. 4x is shifting to the right, it is minus 4x. Minus 4x minus 2x is minus 6x. Plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the highest power? S cube is the highest power here, that is 3 is the highest power. Therefore, the highest is not the second degree, it is third degree. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equations. Then, other problems of that exercise 4.1 that may be problems. Okay. Then second main question of that one is represent the following situations mathematically. Represent the following situations mathematically. Then the first question is the sum of two numbers is 40 we need to find the numbers or find the numbers. Find the numbers if the sum of their their reciprocal is 2/5. This is the question. That means there are two numbers. The sum of these two numbers is 40 and the sum of the reciprocals is 2/5. We can represent given of the following statements or this mathematically. Let us consider that there are two numbers. They are unknown. Therefore, numbers answer numbers are x and y. Then what is the sum? It is 40. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 40. There are two variables, but we can convert the variable by in terms of x. Therefore, y is equal to what? 40 minus x. Then reciprocals. Reciprocal means what is the reciprocal of 2? 1/2. Reciprocal of 2/5? 5/2. That means reciprocal of first number x, that is 1/x plus 1/y is equal to this given 2/5. This y is replaced by 40 minus x. That is 1/x plus 1/40 minus x is equal to 2/5. Yes, son? So once again we can repeat this one. That is, the sum of two numbers is 40. Therefore, there are two numbers, they are unknown. They are considered as x and y. Then the sum x plus y is equal to 40. We can convert to y in terms of x. Therefore, y is equal to 40 minus x. Then the reciprocals are 1 by x and 1 by y. Given that the sum of the reciprocals is 2 by 5, that is 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 2 by 5. This y is divided by 40 minus x. This is our equation. Then, by taking the LCM, rearrange this equation into the quadratic form. That is, x and 40 minus x are the denominators, therefore the product is LCM. Therefore, x into 40 minus x upon, then cross multiplication, 40 minus goes to this numerator, x goes to second numerator. That is 40 minus x plus x is equal to 2 by 5. Then cancels x and x. Then 40 by x into 40, 40x minus x into x, x is equal to 2 by 5. Then in the left side, numerator is 40, right side numerator is 2. Therefore, we can divide it by 2. Therefore, 40 is reduced into 20 and 2 is reduced into 1. Therefore, 20 by 40x minus x square is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, we get 20 into 5. That is 100. Is equal to 1 into this term, that is 40x minus s. Always in the quadratic equation, that is a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But a is a constant. Always we consider as a is positive. That means quotient of s square is negative. Therefore, shifting these two terms to the left, that is s square, and this goes to minus 40x. Plus this divide 100 is equal to right side is equal. This is the quadratic equation. Then solve the equation using different method. That means by using for factorization method or quadratic formula. Anyway, we can solve the equation by quadratic formula or factorization. In the case of factorization, product is 100, sum is minus 40. Minus 40x plus. It is not correct because we can solve only the quadratic form, not to solve solution, because this is not a solution. That is s square minus 40x plus 100 is equal to 0. That is the solution. Okay? Then question number then exercise 4.2. 4.2. Find the roots of the following equations. Question number 1. find roots of the quadratic equations. Then first one is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Solve one, that is find the roots of the one equation by factorization. That is the question. Yes, factorization. Therefore, we can find out this one only by factorization. We know the factorization method, not by quadratic formula. In factorization method, this is x square plus a plus b into x plus a before, which implies that a plus b is equal to minus 3 and a into b is equal to minus 10, because first the vector is 1. Then 5 into 3, 2 is what? 10. 5 minus 2 is 3. Product is minus. Sum is minus. Therefore, one is positive and other is negative. The sum is negative means it is greatest number is negative. Therefore, a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to 2. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 10. Therefore, directly we can factorize the given equation x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then simplify to right. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2 are the rows. That is the answer. Then second question is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. That is the second question. In the first question, quotient of x square is equal to 1, but the second question, quotient of x square is not equal to 1. Therefore, a plus b is the quotient of x, that is 1. A into b is the product of 2 and minus 6. So, equal to minus 1. Therefore, product is minus 12 and sum is 1. Product is minus means one is positive and other is negative. Sum positive means highest number is positive. Then 12 means 1 into 2 into 6 to 12, but that not satisfies. 4 into 3, 12. 4 minus 3, 1. Therefore, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 3. Therefore, not this type, we can find the factors directly, but in this case, question is not 2, not 1, that is 2. Therefore, we cannot factorize directly. That means there are 3 terms. We can split second term into 2 by 4 and minus 3. Therefore, it is answer is 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, by splitting second term into 2, we get to 4 terms. First, out of first 2 terms, 2 be the common and x be the common. Therefore, 2x take as common. X plus, that is 2x into x is 2x. Then 2x into 2 is 4x plus 2. Out of these 2, minus 3 take take as common. Okay. Then that means split 3 terms into 4. Then grouping 4 terms into 2. Out of these 2, x plus 2 is also a common factor. Therefore, x plus 2 take as the factor. 2x will minus 3 are the remainders. 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay? We get the factors. Then x multiplies that cos x plus 2 is equal to 0, comma 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to 3. That is, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of that quadratic equation. Okay. Then the third question is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. That is the third question. Listen, what is a plus b inclusive of x? That is our product is what? A into b. What? Root 2 into 5 root 2 is equal to 5. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 5 into 10. The product is 10 and the sum is equal to 7. That is it. They are positives. Therefore, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, A is equal to 2. B is equal to 5. Therefore, split the second way. That is, answer is root 2x square. Root 2 means it is a radical expression. Root means radical sign. The value of root 2 is approximately 1.41. Similarly, root 3 is equal to 1.70. These are the values of root 2, root 3. Root 4 that is not an irrational number. It is a rational number because root 4 is 2 or minus 2. Then root 2x square. 7x is replaced by 2x plus 5x. Plus 5 root 2. Then that is root 2 into root 2 is 2. Therefore, from these two terms, we take root 2 and the x as common. Therefore, root 2x in. This one is x. 2 is root 2 into root 2. We take root 2 as common, that 2 is reduced into root 2. Plus, from these last two terms, we take 5 as common. Then, x plus root 2 is also a common factor. Root 2x plus 5. These are the factors, which implies that x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to root 2 shift to the right. Okay. Then next question. Solve the quadratic the problems. Solve the problems. The first question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Find the numbers whose sum is 27. Whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Product is 182. Sum is 27 and the product is 182. This is the question. This is a varied question. We can represent the result of this varied question into quadratic form. Then solve. That means answer. Numbers are x and y. Then what is the sum of 27? X plus y is equal to 27. Therefore, y is equal to 27, shifting x to right. Then given that the product is 182, that is xy is equal to 182, that is x into, what is y? 27 minus x is equal to what? 182. Then open the bracket, that is 27x minus x square is equal to 182. That is x square is negative, therefore shifting on the right. Therefore minus x square is reduced to x square. 27x shifting to right means it is minus 27x. Therefore x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to what? This is the quadratic equation. Okay. Then solve that equation. We can solve that equation using factorization or using quadratic formula. That means product is one 182 and the sum is 27. If it is not simple, using the quadratic formula. Yes, let us transform the quadratic formula. For that one, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 27, c is equal to 182. Then what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. That is what I know. Then b is minus 27, therefore minus b is 27. B square, 27 square, that is 27 into 27. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14. 2 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 9, 2, 7. 729. That is 729 minus 4 into 1 into 182. That is 182 into 4. 182 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32. Then 1 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 729. 4 divided by 2a. 2 into 1 is 2. That is equal to 27 plus or minus. 29 minus 728 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 27 plus or minus 1 by 2 is equal to 27 plus 1, 28 by 2, comma 27 minus 1, 26 by 2 is equal to 14, comma 30. Therefore, the sum is what? 27. When x is equal to 14, y is equal to 27 minus 14 is equal to 13. Then the numbers are 14, 13 and 4. This is the answer. Okay. Next question, find two consecutive positive numbers. Next question, question number 3. 4. Find two consecutive positive numbers sum of whose squares is 365. Consecutive numbers means, for example, first number is 3, second number is 4. First number is 3, second number is 4 means first number is x, second number is x plus 1. Answer, numbers are x comma x plus 1. Then given that sum of squares, that is x square plus x plus 1 the whole square is equal to 365. Then this is not the quadratic form, we can express it in the quadratic form. That is x plus 1 the whole square x square. X square plus a plus b the whole square 4 a square plus 2ab plus b square. 365 shifting to the left minus 365 is equal to 0. S square plus s square is what? 2x plus 2x. 365 minus 1 is 364 minus 364 is equal to 0. These are even numbers, therefore dividing by 2. Therefore x square plus x minus half of 365 that means 3 by 2 1. Then 16 by 2 it is 8. 4 by 2 0. Is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Then using quadratic formula we can find out the solution. That is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 182. Then X is equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC whole divided by 2A is equal to B is 1, therefore minus B is minus 1 plus or minus root of B square, that is 1 square is 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus, minus into minus is plus 182 into 4, 8 4 2s are 8, 8 32 that is 2, then remainder 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 728 4 divided by 2a, that is 178 plus 1 is 728 plus 1 is 729. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 729 whole divided by 2. In the previous problem we know that 27 square is 729. Therefore it is minus 1 plus or minus 27 by 2 is equal to, there are two values, minus 1 minus 27 by 2 and minus 1 plus 27 by 2. This one is negative value, that is minus 28 by 2, that is minus 40, comma 27 minus 1, 26, 26 by 2, 30. One number is negative, other number is positive. But question is find the two consecutive positive numbers. Therefore, we get only x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 13 only. First number is x. Second number is x plus 1. Therefore, numbers are 13 and 4. This will be the answer. Then the fifth question is, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter. Less than base. Base. 7 centimeter less than base. Less than base. Hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Is 13 centimeter. Find the size. This is the question. We know that a right triangle is a triangle with one angle is 90 degree. That is a right triangle. This angle is 90 degree. This the hypotenuse, the base, the altitude. Then what's the Pythagorean relation? Base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is the result. Therefore, this height altitude is 7 centimeter less than base. Therefore, base is the basic answer. Therefore, base is equal to answer. base is equal to x centimeter. Then altitude is equal to 7 less than, that is minus x minus 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is equal to this given 13 centimeter. Then what is the Pythagoras theorem? It is base square plus altitude square is equal to what? Hypotenuse square. That means base square, it is a square, plus altitude, that is 7 minus x the whole square, is equal to hypotenuse, that is 13 square. This is the quadratic expression, that is not quadratic form. Therefore, we can expand this one. That is s square plus s square minus 7 into 2, that is 14x, plus 7 square is 49, shifting 13 square is 169, shifting to left, minus 169 is equal to 0. That is s square plus s square, 2s square, minus 14x, plus 169 minus 49 is 120. This is the quadratic form, but all terms there is are even. Therefore, dividing by 2, we get s square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 60. Then next is equal to what? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac 4 divided by 2a, that is the quadratic formula. That is plus 7 plus or minus root of minus 7 square is positive, that is 49, minus 4 into 1 into minus 16, that is minus into minus 6 plus 4 into 16, 6 into 4 24, therefore 240, 4 divided by 2a, that is equal to 7 plus or minus 2, 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 divided by 2. What is 70 into 70? 7 into 7, that is 49. 1 into 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 1 more. That is 9. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 more. That is 289. Therefore, 289 is the square of 70. Therefore, x is equal to 7 plus or minus 17 by 2. That is equal to 7 plus 17 by 2, comma 7 minus 17 by 2. 7 plus 17 is 24 by 2. That is equal to what? 12. There. 7 minus 17 is minus 10. Minus 10 by 2 is minus 5. But the sign is always positive. Therefore, x is 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 centimeter. Then that is base is equal to 12 centimeter. Then what is altitude? Altitude is equal to, it is given, is equal to, what is x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7. Is 12 minus 7? Is 12 minus 7? 5. Then hypotenuse